Did you know that your emotional intelligence can be just as important as your IQ? In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of emotional intelligence. We'll explore how emotional awareness, empathy, social intelligence, and self-regulation can change the way you connect with others and navigate your own feelings. Let's get started. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions while also recognizing, understanding, and influencing the emotions of others. Why is this important? Studies show that people with high EQ tend to have better relationships, greater mental health, and are more successful professionally. So, how can we build these essential skills? Our first focus is on emotional awareness. This is the foundation of EQ. It involves being conscious of your emotions and understanding how they influence your thoughts and behaviors. For instance, have you ever felt anxious before a meeting? Recognizing that feeling is the first step to managing it effectively. Here's a surprising fact: many people are not even aware of their emotions. Studies suggest that only around 36% of people can accurately identify their feelings. Take a moment to ask yourself, can you name the emotions you felt today? Let's practice this skill together by naming 3 emotions right now. Ready? Go! Now, let's shift gears and talk about empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's not just about feeling sorry for someone, it's about putting yourself in their shoes. Imagine a friend is going through a tough time. How can your empathy make a difference in their life? Empathy can be a superpower in your relationships. Studies show that empathetic individuals are perceived as more likable and trustworthy. But here's a common misconception: empathy doesn't mean you have to fix someone's problems. Sometimes, just being there and listening is enough. Now, let's talk about social intelligence. This is the ability to navigate social interactions effectively. It involves understanding social dynamics and being aware of the emotions of those around you. Ask yourself, how aware are you of the social cues in your environment? Are you regularly gauging the feelings of others in conversations? Here's where we interrupt with a question: have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt the mood change? That's social intelligence in action. It's crucial for effective teamwork and leadership. Developing this skill can enhance collaboration and reduce conflicts in your personal and professional life. Next, we must master self-regulation. This is the ability to manage your emotions in a healthy way. When faced with stress or anger, do you react impulsively or do you take a step back and think? Self-regulation is about control, allowing you to respond rather than react, leading to better outcomes in various situations. A powerful strategy for self-regulation is mindfulness. Research shows that practicing mindfulness can reduce anxiety, boost emotional awareness, and improve self-control. Have you tried any mindfulness techniques? Try focusing on your breath for just 1 minute right now. To wrap things up, we've explored different aspects of emotional intelligence: emotional awareness, empathy, social intelligence, and self-regulation. Each of these skills contributes not only to your personal development but also to your interactions with others. Remember, boosting your EQ is a lifelong journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspect of emotional intelligence do you struggle with the most? Join us next time as we delve deeper into practical techniques for enhancing these skills in your daily life. Thank you for watching. Remember, emotional intelligence is key to success in any area of life. Applying these skills can lead to more meaningful relationships and a better understanding of yourself. Until next time, keep growing and exploring your emotional landscape.